Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, his family and companions. Today I would like to narrate you a story of conquest of Makkah. When Prophet Muhammad conquered Makkah, he said, all those who have done atrocities against me and others, they will be forgiven. Those who will stay inside Kaaba will be forgiven. Those who are inside the house of Abu Sufyan will be forgiven. Those who are inside the houses, they will be forgiven. And Hinda came. Hinda, who chewed the liver of Hazrat Hamza, the uncle of Prophet, whom the Prophet called the Lion of Allah, the Lion of Rasulullah, Hazrat Hamza. He chewed the liver of Hazrat Hamza after his martyrdom at the Battle of Uhud. She came in the front of Holy Prophet, and Prophet said, I also forgave you, but don't come in front of me. When you ever will come, I will remember my uncle. Hind accepted Islam, and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, forgave her. But he made a condition, don't ever come in front of my, because I remember my slain uncle. The beloved uncle whose liver was chewed by Hinda. Hinda was the grandmother of Yazid, who killed Hazrat Hussain, who martyred Hazrat Hussain and his companions in the Battle of Karbala. So Prophet Muhammad even forgave his staunchest enemies, and we are not ready to stand for Palestine today. For above all the differences of the sectarianism, whether you are Shia, Sunni, Ali, this, Deobandi, it does not matter. It matters is that we are the Ummah of Rasulullah. We should stand with the Palestinians. He should help them by money. Whatever you can do with by God, or helping them money, or helping them any other things, we should do it. Forget about animosity between each other. What sectarian difference will we have? Today are the days of the martyrdom days of Hazrat Hussain. We should remember that Hazrat Hussain wants us to stand against tyranny, dictatorship, what you say, the Yazidism. Yazidism is that dictatorship, killing, oppression, and to stand against that, which has killed innocent human beings now. Still the ideology of Yazid is there. Yazid is dead, but his ideology is not. Hussain is alive, and is also his ideology also. We have to stand with Hussaini ideology. Hussaini ideology is to help the poor, is to help the orphan, is to spread the word of Islam, is to spread the word of Quran, is to spread the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is to be modest, is to have modesty, haya, in yourself, in your eyes, in your values. Hussainiyat is to free the world from the clutches of Zionism, from the clutches of Satanism, from the clutches of Yazidiyat. This is Hussainiyat, and we should stand for it, and we should never be afraid to stand for truth, justice and values. Quran says in Surah An-Nisa chapter 4, even if you have to stand for justice against your parents and relatives, stand for justice. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that I am Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has sent as a guidance and mercy for all the universe. So we should carry out this guidance and mercy and eradicate all kinds of Satanism, Zionism from the world. Thank you.